Did you know that around 80% of the information we take in is through our eyes? They act as our windows to the world, and we need to ensure their optimum health. This is where vision care comes in, and using the right eyewear lies at its core. Once a near-stagnant market, India's eyewear segment is today one of the fastest-growing retail sectors since the entry of Titan Eye Plus in 2007. The third major venture by Titan Company, they have redefined the way the organized retail market in India operates. With a world-class retail experience on offer, Titan Eye Plus showcases the best in contemporary designs and styles.
We were in the eyewear business even before we got into Titan Eye Plus. We had been we are a lifestyle company. So we had our category presence in terms of sunglasses. Fast Trek was the brand. And I think in 2007 itself, we sold more than 1 million of sunglasses. So we're a dominant player in sunglasses. But when it comes to prescription eyewear, which is what Titan Eye Plus got into, I think in the year 2004, there was a company level initiative which was to look at what would the company become 5 years down the line. It was internally branded as Future Shock. A large part of the organization participated in this futurescaping, so to say, and many significant decisions were taken. One among the key outcomes were the getting into prescription eyewear, which is what is Titan Eye Plus.
Titan Eye Plus is part of one of the world's leading lifestyle brands, the Titan Company. Following the mother company's governing principles of quality and trust, the brand offers international quality standards backed by modern design, styling, and transparency in pricing. Today, Titan Eye Plus has over 560 retail stores in 220 cities across the country, with over 5,000 dealers and 4 million customers.
This business, we looked at what is the opportunity for us, and we looked at what was the current practice then. And we found this is one category which was more or less clinical. People have got a problem, they got a handicap, they come to a optician, they got their prescription power, etc., got the glasses made, and so on and so forth. But we saw that there is a significant upliftment possible in this category, because our lens of looking at any category was basically through whether the market is underserved, underpenetrated, or unorganized. In the case of eyewear, or the category that we got into, it qualifies all three. And therefore, it was a kind of easy decision for us to get into this.
There is so much to choose from at Titan Eye Plus, from specialized lenses to more than 1,000 stylish frames and an unbeatable collection of sunglasses. All these are at par with international standards and style, designed and manufactured in-house. Titan Eye Plus believes in outstanding quality in strength, uniqueness, and variety. And yet it remains down-to-earth and easily affordable brand. Today, Titan Eye Plus is honored to be India's largest optical retailer, working with over 25 international names. The focus is innovation, quality, and unparalleled service for customers, setting an example that everyone in the eyewear industry can look up to.
So we have the widest range, I think, in the industry. We have our own house brands, which is Fast Track, Titan, and we have the best of international brands, right from Ray-Ban till Cartier. In lenses also, we offer our own world-class lenses. We also partner with Essilor and Carl Zeiss to offer their lenses. Similarly, in sunglasses, we have our own house brands, and we have the widest range of sunglasses, right from Ray-Ban till Maogen, who are people who are known for the sunglasses they make. So I don't think you can get a wider range anywhere else.
Titan Eye Plus brings together the best materials and innovative technologies to ensure world-class products that are unique and exceptional, both in frames and lenses. Each step is meticulously worked to provide the highest quality and comfort, married to the latest styles in eyewear at India's largest integrated frame and lens manufacturing unit.
The manufacturing in eyewear has two parts. One is the lens, the other one is the frame. We have a technology called IMAX. So this technology, what it does, it makes the lens thinner. In fact, we have been working for a long time to increase the scratch resistance of the lenses. So we have been able to crack a new coating, okay, which is clear technology. So that will give the Bayer ratio of 10 to 12. So which will be almost double the scratch resistance of even the international brand. And in the frames, our manufacturing is designed to do two things. One is to bring the product faster to the market, because eyewear is a very fashion-led category. So you cannot have the same type of frame running for years. So fashion will keep changing. So we need to be alive to the fashion trend. So we have made sure that the technology we use, we avoid lot of hard tooling, and we use more laser machining, CNC machining and laser welding, so that we can produce small batches, first try, and if it works, that models we can produce more. Another thing we have done in this frame manufacturing is, most of the frames used in the world, they use nickel coating, nickel plating, and which is not good for the health. Suppose it peels off, then it can create allergies to the person who is wearing it. And that material will bleed, and especially in a country like India where people sweat a lot and they are in the humid conditions, it is not very good. So we have decided that in this plant that we have set up, we produce only stainless steel and titanium and aluminum products and acetate, handmade acetate products. So it has no carcinogenic material, and people will never have any health risk, any irritation, skin irritation using these products.
Aiding Titan Eye Plus in its quest for perfection is the inherent driving passion to excel using smarter approaches. All products are made following a step-by-step process right from the design stage to the final quality check. Each step of the process aims to ensure perfect style, functionality, and comfort.
Quality is in the blood and DNA of Titan. So right from the beginning, we believe that quality cannot be built by inspection. Quality has to be built during design, during manufacturing. So that's what we have done. So what we have done here, the quality control methods, is that the process controls are very well defined, and there is a early warning system. So that anything which is going wrong, even before the product comes out of the line, we will know that this product is likely to fail, so that we can take it out, check it, do the correction and do. That is the first thing. Second thing is that when we do this process define itself, there has to be certain testing that we do. So we have a complete full reliability test lab where we do testing for the adhesion of the coating, testing for the longevity of the coating. So there is a full-fledged R&D lab. And the last part is, in spite of doing all this, it is possible that there is some human error sometime can happen. So just before the product is being shipped, so every day a team of experts go and pick up samples and check. And if we find anything which is wrong, that whole shipment is stopped and we get back and we do a root cause analysis. So that way all the three levels, at the process design, process control, and also at the outgoing level, we have controls.
The clear differentiator which we have in Titan Eye Plus is our ability to create product within the store premises. So we have these technicians, the master technicians, whom we have huge regards and respect for, and they ensure that the entire product is created inside the store and dispensed to the customer in front of the technician. So instead of delivering a product, we deliver a right fit. So when a customer walks in and he collects his product, we also ensure that the alignment and the fit is appropriate, and the entire vision correction process is done to its logical end. So we take a lot of pride in doing that, and that is why we have a huge team in every store which is working day and night for the upliftment and enhancement of the customer.
High performance is a way of life here at Titan Eye Plus. Customers take precedence over everything else. Comfort, clarity, and accuracy are at the heart of its success. The company paves the way in educating the consumer and bringing the much-needed accuracy and transparency that the eyewear industry had been lacking.
Anything that we do at Titan Eye Plus is for the customer and by the customer. In fact, our day at Titan Eye Plus starts with a morning meeting where we discuss some of the customer testimonials which are excellent, and some of the stories which have not gone so well, which forms a source of strategy for us to do better in business. We have crossed 2.5 lakh Google reviews. Also, we do NPS, which is the Net Promoter Score. Our scores are one of the best in the industry. We were rated to be first Indian company to be winning the Customer Experience Award in 2018-19, which only reinforces the fact that we are in the right direction.
Titan Eye Plus is nothing but a quasi-medical service which we are providing to the community, and we are definitely solving a larger purpose for the people and the citizens of this country. There are two big differentiators which I feel we have in the system. First is the people, because this entire business will just collapse if we don't have the right set of people and the people in the right mindset. We take a lot of pride in taking care of our people, and in turn our people take care of the customers. And I'm very proud to say that we have people in stores who have been with us for the last 8 to 10 years, almost from the inception of this brand. And our people, our customers, remember the employees by their name.
Titan Eye Plus is the only chain in the country to offer a 20-step zero-error eye test. The aim is to ensure that all aspects of the customer's eyes are examined and assessed by well-trained optometrists.
At Titan Eye Plus, 20-step zero-error eye test is really a differentiator. Each and every customer who goes through an eye test goes through this process so that the accuracy is ensured. This 20 steps which we have crafted is through our internal experts and through the international experts.
To create these masterpieces, well-trained technicians and optometrists are recruited through a stringent selection process. Each one of them also goes through a month-long training program at India's premier eye institute, Shankar Netralaya.
All the optometrists who are selected, they also undergo a training of about 30 days at our own Titan Academy, and this training ensures that they are very much well versed with the process. Once the optometrists follow the process, the eye test is actually the most accurate eye test.
It's because it's a quasi-medical category, so it is very important that the solution that you provide to every customer is 100% accurate. So we have invested a lot of time and energy behind training our people before they join in at the store, and also constantly looking at ways to retrain our people at the store. I think this has been absolutely very, very critical for us.
Titan Eye Plus values the importance of connecting with its customers. For it is only when you build healthy customer relationships that you understand their ever-evolving needs. Ensuring that the process of service delivery is top-notch, the same standard of service is maintained every single time for its customers. The brand's foremost emphasis is on faster delivery and unparalleled post-sale service that speaks volumes about their commitment towards the customers.
We serve the customer, that's the reason for our existence. We try and create an inequation in every transaction, meaning if the customer is paying $100, we try and deliver an experience which is more than what he or she is paying for. That inequation is the foundation of our customer experience. So therefore, in the case of eyewear, it is certainly the most important thing, because unlike a lifestyle product category, it is also dealing with the person's individual problem. So therefore, it's almost embedded in everything that we do in our eye care business.
The service is very good. I'm very happy with the executives, how they explain and which type of lenses to be purchased. And the frames are very reasonable, which is very suitable for our face. And the types of product and selections of frames are available here. And the timely delivery is also very good.
I normally use other product, but blue coating is not available at certain ranges, but where Titan has got that. So that is an important thing for me. That is why I like Titan about. You got all the wide ranges for the blue coating, which is very important for me as a consumer.
So when it comes to our chain Titan Eye Plus, there are three things that we're extremely proud of and passionate about. The first is the fact that we offer the best of styles with the latest in technology when it comes to lenses. The second is our very accurate and detailed eye test. We offer a detailed 20-step eye test to arrive at the perfect solution for you. And lastly, something that we are most passionate about is the service that we offer. We won various awards to also support the same. So we're very passionate about providing the best service to consumers, the most patient hearing. And one thing that we also do is provide a true omni experience, which I don't think too many players are doing. You can get your product from between 570 stores of ours and online. We service 99% of the pin codes, and we offer the most seamless experience. You can order online, pick from store, you can order online and exchange at store. So truly omni experience is what we offer, and I think that is what sets us apart.
Now the brand looks forward to growing its reach pan-India. Plans are in place to increase the number of stores as well as the consumer base in the coming years.
From this point, if I look at the future ahead, our mission, so to say, is to remain the biggest and the best eye care destination in this country. And in specific terms, even if today we have, let's say, 2.5 million customers, 5 years down the line, we'll have 10 million customers.
India is changing. Consumers now look for modernized brands that are stylish, premium, high quality, in line with global trends, and yet sensible. Titan Eye Plus is positioned to be exactly what today's consumer seeks. While it is familiar with the essence of India's eyewear market, the brand continues to evolve with changing demands and preferences. That makes it the best optical solution destination in India.